we're gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay. Right there. We're getting the bread now. Alright. And now, put the bread on the napkin. Now, we're getting the peanut butter to put on the bread.
She's gonna stab you.
Alright, we're gonna take the peanut butter out, slice by slice.
Hold the bread while you put the peanut butter on
Put
it.
it on the bread.
Oh, look at those skills.
Oh yeah. Now, we're gonna take some more peanut butter and put it on the bread. Yeah. On the bread. Yes, on the I just stabbed myself in the nose, but that's okay. Hold on, we're gonna take the top of the jelly off of the bread, okay? Good job. No, right there. Yeah, good job.